back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kayla. For anyone returning, thank you so much for following along. Hopefully, if you guys have been following my channel, you might recognize this face. This is my little sister, Lily. Hi. So today is a special day. We are getting her ready to go take photographs for her 8th grade graduation. So we're gonna do her makeup first, and then we're gonna go out and take some photographs out at the park nearby. So hopefully you guys like today's video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you would, wish my little sister congratulations in the comments below. Big step, she's going to high school. She's gonna be 14 this year. And it makes me happy but sad because I'm getting older, and it's just life. So thank you guys for checking out our video today, and follow along. We'll see you later. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Mwah. Bye. Don't be shy. You're shy. She's shy. It's okay, honey, it's okay. Okay, bye. I'm gonna put some Bobbi Brown moisturizer on. So we're using the Makeup Forever face primer. This is Step 1 Skin Equalizer, so it's a smoothing primer. And when I put it on, I like to press it into the face. That way it just really sinks into your skin. And then we're gonna take some of my favorite Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And she's only 13, and we don't want to go too crazy with her makeup. We want to keep it very natural. You know, she doesn't really need too much. So I'm gonna be using a light foundation, and that was way too much primer. For her foundation, I'm gonna use my Clinique Even Better. This is in neutral. And I'm gonna take my stippling brush and spray it with the MAC Fix Plus, as usual. So are you nervous to graduate middle school? Speak up.
Yeah.
Why are you nervous? What makes you nervous? Walking on the stage? Well, aren't you guys gonna do a rehearsal? So that way you know where to go? You don't know? What are you looking forward to most about high school? New friends? Yeah. A fresh start. Are you going to a high school with your current friends? No? Somewhere different? Oh.
I have a little bit of friends at this school.
Oh. That you already know? Oh, okay. Well, at least you'll have some familiar faces. Cool. I'll be using my go-to NYX Color Corrector concealer for dark circles. You guys stay up late sometimes. Yeah. Look up. And I'll be using my Urban Decay Naked Skin concealer in light neutral. And then I'll be using my damp Morphe Beauty sponge, so that way I can blend in her concealer and the color corrector into the foundation. Look up. If you have to itch, let me know. And I will do it for you. I'm going to use some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Set your face. Look up. Look up. Don't keep turning your head up, just look up. So tilt your head down and then look up. Okay. Turn your head. You do the same thing. You physically turn your head down, but you look up with your eyes. It looks funny. Am I the only one who's ever done your makeup? What?
Yeah. Actually, no, my friend did my makeup.
Not as good as me though. I'll be using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette on her today. And I'm going to use the shade, I believe it's called Silk Cream. And I'm going to use that as a transition shade. Close your eyes. Relax. Close your eyes. I like to do this right after I put on foundation. That way it can really just kind of set everything. And it helps decrease creasing, or it's like minimal creasing. Alright, and then I will be working on them brows. Them brows, them brows. Okay, tilt your head up a little bit. She honestly has such an amazing shape for her eyebrows. Like perfect. They'll go on so nicely. And I'll be using my Benefit Browsings kit. Where? Don't touch it. Is that good?
Yeah.
That's what I do. Anytime I have an itch on my nose, I go like this. But it's like, you do all that work to put on your makeup and it just sucks when you have an itch. Okay, kind of tilt your head up a little bit. This is where you can physically move your head up. Okay, not that much, but yeah. Honestly, like, her brows are so nice. I don't think I want to do too much to them. I just want to keep them natural. Another itch. Probably because of that hair that's right there. Okay. So yeah, I really don't want to do too much to her eyebrows because just I want to keep her makeup as natural as possible. You know, I want to give her like a little bit of definition just to basically enhance her natural features.
Can we listen to fire?
What?
Or to fire?
Really?
Yeah.
Who's got the lighter? I'm so proud that you're asking when's the brownie. Oh. really mad at myself right now. I had brow gel, but I don't know what I did with it. I don't know if I threw it away or I don't know. Maybe I gave it to you. Or maybe I gave it to grandma. I don't know. But anyways, I'm not going to do too much to her brows. Stop copying me. Anyways, so yeah, brows. I think they're okay. I'm going to use, oh my god, I can't remember the name of this shade, but this one right here. And I'm going to use that on the outer corner. Close your eyes. Nope, you know what? Like, keep your eyes closed, but like, chill. We're gonna use a little bit of pink today. Just very light. I think we'll use this one. This shade. It's very shimmery pink. Okay, close your eyes. Okay. And then now I'm going to use a little bit of this for her highlight. I want to say this one's in light.
That's the color of the dress. Kind
This one?
Yeah, kind of the color.
Her dress is blue. Okay. And I'm just going to highlight under her brow bone a little bit. A little bit. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What about this one?
Yeah, I know this one.
Good. I think we're gonna have to listen to some Gwen and No Doubt today.
That's Start the Fire by No Doubt.
Start the Fire is actually just Gwen.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
This one is just Gwen, like her solo stuff. I have a lot to teach you today. Oh, also I used, I think it's Beam. Yeah, Beam on the inner eye. So I'm next going to use my Ciaté. What is it? Yeah, the gel liner. So I tried to use it on grandma and she like freaked out. Turn your face funny. And so this I'm gonna put on your upper lash line. So look up. And if you need to move your eye, let me know, because this is going to be right next to your eyeball, okay? So don't freak out. So look up. It honestly goes so quick, but you need to stop freaking out. Open your eyes and look up. Look up. Huh? Oh, you guys are such babies.
Okay, go.
No, I'm done. I give up. And I'm going to use MAC Extreme Dimension 3D Backlash Mascara. She has the best lashes. Don't squint your eyes like that again, because you're going to mess it up. Look down. Okay, look up. Look. Don't, So now I'm gonna use my Sephora Rose Emotion Micro Smooth Blush. Actually, let me wipe away that powder. Make it like kissy face, like this. I got this. So pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah, see.
Oh, so you don't see yourself in it. Alright, and then I'm going to use my Buxom lip liner. This is in the shade Hush Hush. Open your mouth a little bit. Just open, but like relax. Like, okay. We're not gonna use like too crazy of like lipstick. I'm just gonna use my Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the shade Moscow Mule. I'm gonna put a little bit on there, and then I'm gonna go back with that Buxom lip liner brush and spread out. And my sister has a very unique shape of lips. It's so pretty. She's got such a pretty face. Right, look up. Now we're gonna set your face. Okay, close your eyes. Do not open your eyes. Not to me, I'm worried if I do it alone. Cause if you like, you never know, it could be great. Take a chance, cause you let go. Oh, oh, oh. Dang, look at this. Check it out. What do you think? Do you like it, or like, do you love it? Oh, you love it? So pretty, so pretty. And I love her eyes. We have different color eyes. Hers are more of like, they have like more of like a green, brown. Is that hazel? Is that what you call it? Like, right? More hazel?
So I'll be there.
I said if you're ready. Come on now. Oops. Oh my god. So